Hello folks, we're on the Grand Union Canal again, about 2 miles north of where I was last time, somewhere near Harefield. Just thought I'd show you the rather pretty aspect of the canal towpath, especially in the sunshine. What a pleasant place it is to be. Birds are chirping, tweeting, twittering, the sun is out, the sky is beautiful, there's nobody about, and it's a nice day. And we're heading towards something quite remarkable in engineering. The longest ever UK British railway bridge, but it's not there yet. They're making it, so we're going to see the progress that they're doing. 2.1 miles long. It's a viaduct and a half. In fact, over there you can just see bits of it. Enormous concrete structure. The factory alone that produces the concrete stanchions is bigger than the Albert Hall. Isn't that fantastic, viewers? Bigger than the Albert Hall. If you want to go somewhere big, come here.